Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this three bars icon, and as you can see, the second option bar from the top is connected with the timer. So the timer is currently turned off. We've got this option, let's say highlighted in this light gray color, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So if you'd like to set the timer, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So in order to set 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. Currently it is highlighted in this yellowish color, so you can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on this device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so let me pick for example 3 seconds delay. That's the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. Of course, we can turn it off just by tapping on this clock icon again. And now this device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.